Today we are going to learn this simple 2 row repeat pattern. Medium size yarn and hook size 3 or 3.5 needed. Begin with any number of the chain stitches. It's all up to the project that you are making. In second stitch from the hook, we will make one single crochet. Here we did our first single crochet. Move to the next stitch, we will make one more single crochet. So basically we are making one single crochet in each stitch across. Our row number 1 of single crochet completed. Now we will begin our row number 2. We begin by doing chain 3 stitches. This chain 3 will count as one double crochet. Now turn your work. Now yarn over and skip one stitch. In the next following stitch we will make one double crochet. Our first double crochet completed. Now we will make another double crochet in this space. Just watch carefully. Just in this space we are going to make one double crochet. Here we go. So this is our first stitch completed. Now again skip one stitch and move to the following one. Make one double crochet and again make one double crochet in the space. So here we have completed our second stitch. Again skip one stitch and make one double crochet and make one double crochet in this space. So this is the pattern we are going to follow for row number 2. So repeat the stitches across the row. Our row number 2 completed here. So just watch carefully and make sure to make one double crochet only in the last stitch. One double crochet in the last stitch. Now begin new row with chain 1 and turn your work. So from this point we are going to repeat row number 1 and 2 respectively. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Remember to follow your crochet buddy Mary. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.